Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear rice lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Getting the right balance of rice, lemon, and seasonings becomes easier when every ingredient is measured correctly. That's where the lemon rice recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Lemon rice is a famous South Indian rice dish made with cooked rice, fresh lemon juice, turmeric, curry leaves, mustard seeds, dals, and peanuts. Known for its tangy, aromatic, and mildly spicy taste, it's a familiar choice for lunch boxes, travel meals, festivals, and quick homestyle meals. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and cooking method. You'll also find notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Choose optional add-ons like cashews, coriander, ginger, or hing to bring extra flavor and variety to the dish. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from preparing the rice and tempering until the dish is ready to serve. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, cook the rice until soft while keeping the grains separate. Spread the cooked rice on a plate and allow it to cool completely before preparing the tempering. Heat oil in a pan, then add mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Add urad dal, chana dal, and peanuts, then fry until the dals turn lightly golden. Next, add dry red chili, green chili, and curry leaves, along with ginger and hing if selected. Add turmeric powder and mix everything well to complete the tempering. Switch off the flame before adding the fresh lemon juice to help prevent bitterness, as recommended in the recipe note. Pour the prepared tempering over the cooled rice and mix gently until everything is evenly combined. Serve the lemon rice with papad, pickle, curd, or potato fry for a satisfying combination. Using completely cooled rice, fresh lemon juice, and a well-prepared tempering helps bring out the best taste and texture. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.